Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Robotics. In this video we're going to show you how you can do the line following with a Bell robot, okay? So first of all we have to open the IDE, go to AdamaScript, okay? So I have it open in the background. So then we have to edit and then go to Arduino mode, okay? So once you're in the Arduino mode, what you do is you go to the robots block section and take in the AdamaScript program, okay? I haven't connected it yet, I will connect it after making the whole program, okay? Then you go to the control block and take the forever block, okay? So we want to check it over and over again, okay? And then you take another if else block, okay? So if this happens, do that, else do something else, okay? Something like that. Now what we want to check is we want to check if their line follower status, okay? So where is that? This is here. Just take this block over here and put it down here, and now we want to check the S in and S out, okay? So once you click here at the corner, you will see the options, so S in and S2 out, S1 in and S2 out. You choose that and you have to choose the motor speed, okay? So let's drag in motor 1 and motor 2 like old times, and then you give it a speed of 20, let's say, for one, and the other one could be plus 50, okay? So it's gonna rotate on one side, okay? So it's gonna detect something on the left side. Then we have to check again on the if else statement there, okay? We need another if else statement inside the else block, otherwise the program will come here and check for the other status, will duplicate it and put it here. And now we just need to change the option here, so rather than S1 in, we have to have S1 out and S2 in now, okay? So previous one, S1 was in, S2 was out, now S1 was out, S2 is in, okay? Now we need these blocks motor speeds. Now we need to change the motor speed to the other way, okay? Just opposite way, and let's make it 20, and then at the bottom we have to duplicate the block and put it here, and we will have an even speed, because if there is no obstacle or if there is no line detected, it's gonna just go towards the front, okay? So I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit so that you can see, okay? So now you just have to connect the bell, okay? I haven't connected yet, so just connect it and press upload, and then it should be alright. Hello guys, so this is the updated version of the code. Like the previous values didn't work for me, you can change these values and see what exactly happens, okay? Thank you so much.